So in this week's Tech Tips, we're going to be looking at an app called Just Press Record. Let's do this. First thing you want to do then is open up the App Store and download the app. Search for it by just typing in Just Press Record. Once you've clicked on it and you've downloaded it, then you can open it and we'll start and see what it can do. So basically this app, you can use it while you're out and about going different places to dictate to the app, and it will not only record what you've said, but it will convert what you've said into text. From here, you obviously press the button, you can convert it, it will then bring it up and you can email it to yourself along with the audio if you want to. So you can send it anywhere you want to, you can send it to somebody else if you want to. You will need to edit it slightly, it isn't 100% accurate, but it is very, very useful. But you can literally just dictate to it when you're out and about, and then when you get back to the office or the workplace, you can then sort it out from there. So let's show you how it actually works and put it all together. Okay, so here we are in the actual app itself, and what we're just going to show you some of the features before we give it a test. Obviously, you've got a couple of things that you can do. You can change the input, okay, so if you've got any headphones, you can plug those in, that will come up there, or you can just select the normal iPhone microphone. You can change the settings, so we can go into the settings. Again, you've got the input device you can click on. You can use stereo microphones, custom audio settings. You can change all those things if you want to. I tend to leave it on just what it is. What's quite interesting is you can go to the storage location and you can change it to the iCloud drive if you have a subscription to that, or if you have sort of space on there. So normally you get your 5 gigs, I think it is, and you can up that if you want to with a small subscription of like 79p. I think you can up it to a little bit more than that, so that's worthwhile if you want to per month. And then the legacy of it in-app only, which I still have because it's old. However, you've got the new one that may well not be there. Other than that, that's pretty much all you need to look at, and then we can get into actually what it will do. You've got your recents, which will show you on here recently anything you recorded. We'll see that in a second. You've got your browse, where you can see I've used this for quite a few years. I've got lots of files with different audio recordings in there. One of the things that's quite useful is that once you've recorded something, you can then actually go through and play that recording afterwards, and we'll talk about that, how you can then correct what you've written. You can do a search if you want to, and you can obviously set it up to actually work on your watch as well. Never actually tried that, so it'd be interesting if anyone wants to try that and see how it works. You could use it on there and then it'll send it to your phone, which might be useful if you want to activate it from your watch if you have an iWatch. So let's give it a go, let's try it, and then we're going to test out how it works. So I'm going to press the record button, and basically I'm just going to record everything that I'm saying right now to you, and hopefully it will record all of the words that I'm using accurately. And also kind of punctuate it hopefully in the right place as well. And what I will do then at the end of this, once I've recorded all of it, we're going to test it and just see how it converts the text from what I'm saying, the speech or the audio into text from what I've just been saying. So we'll get to about 30 seconds and then we're going to hit the stop button at the bottom. You could pause it if you wanted to, and then you can carry on, but we're going to use that today so you can see I've got that recording live today. We're going to click on that and see what happens. So as we click on it there, it's going to do some analysis and let it do its thing, and there you'll see the text will start to appear. So let it do its thing again, a little bit longer. And what we can do there is we can look at that and we can say simple and basic. So it's almost right. I'm going to record everything I'm saying right now to you, and hopefully it will record all the words that I'm using accurately and also can't punctuate. So again, it's got a few things that are wrong. Hopefully in the right place, as well as what I will do then at the end of this, once I've recorded all of it, so you can see it's not 100% accurate. But from the point of view of something that you can just get your thoughts down and then edit it afterwards, it's fantastic. One of the best things about this is that if you have got lots of mistakes in there, so say for example if I'm reading through one of those sentences and go, that just doesn't make sense, it's not recorded properly, you can actually then go into the recording itself and you can play the recording and go through and find the relevant section. You can also then, if you want to, delete parts if you want to. So if we just take out, let's scroll back near the beginning, and you'll see what it means. As we scroll through here, it's just going to take a little bit of time just to get it back to the start. Helps if I move it in the right direction. So we're moving this all the way back here, and what we're going to do is we're just going to delete that from here and see what impact that has. So at the beginning there, we're just going to delete that bit there. So we delete that, and then if we just go back into save, it will actually delete the words as well. So where it's actually changed some of those words that you've recorded, i.e. deleted them, it will then change the text that it comes up with, which is really, really handy. So, really useful tool. What do you do then with it next? Well, you can edit it if you want to, so you can go in and actually edit it. I don't tend to do that. What I tend to do is then share that by clicking on the share icon at the bottom, and you can share the recording, you can share the transcript, you can share the recording and the transcript, or you can share the video clip. All right, so which is just fantastic in terms of if you're out and about and want to use this to create a document. So that's this app for you this week. I hope you enjoyed that. If it's useful, please like, share, and let people know about it. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.